Picture a sleek crow on a rain-dark branch, bending a twig into a tiny hook. Imagine a chimp in the forest, selecting the perfect stone with careful eyes. See an octopus gathering coconut shells and dragging them across the seafloor. These are cinematic images of animal minds at work. Tool use was once treated as a human trademark. That idea belonged to old stories about intellect and hands. Nature tells a different tale. Across the animal kingdom, survival has created quiet inventors. They work with claws, beaks, fins, and even tentacles. They shape, modify, and carry objects to solve real problems. A crow bends a twig into a tool with deliberate motions. A chimp tests stones against nuts until the fit feels right. A dolphin wears a sponge-like protective gear while foraging. An octopus carries pieces of shelter to build a mobile retreat. These acts reveal planning, precision, and striking inventiveness. They are not myths of human uniqueness. They are practical solutions shaped by pressure and opportunity. In small tasks, these animals sometimes match the ingenuity of early humans. That closeness surprises us because it looks like a tiny Stone Age workshop. This video will take you into those workshops. Listen close. Nature has tools and inventors waiting to be discovered. Stay with us as we explore clever beaks, paws, and minds. Expect surprises that blur the line between instinct and invention. This is the hidden Stone Age of the living world. Watch closely. The first spark of technology often looks small. New Caledonian crows fashion hooked tools from twigs and leaf stems. They bend and trim pieces to make precise hooks. Those hooks extract grubs from deep crevices with ease. The birds choose specific plants for flexibility and strength. Chimpanzees use hammer and anvil techniques to crack nuts. They place nuts on a stone and strike them with rocks. Other chimps use sticks to fish termites from mounds. Young chimps learn by watching skilled elders. Orangutans use leaves as gloves and as umbrellas. They fold and hold leaves to protect hands or heads. Dolphins protect their snouts with sea sponges while foraging. A sponge cushions the nose against sharp sand and hidden predators. This behavior is passed from mothers to offspring. Sea otters use rocks to smash open shellfish. They carry preferred stones and strike shells on their chests. Those otters remember which rocks work best for which prey. Octopuses gather coconut shells and assemble portable shelters. They carry halves and hide inside when danger appears. Octopus tool use shows foresight and transportable planning. Across these species, animals choose appropriate materials deliberately. Many animals modify objects to improve function. They remember techniques and use them again later. Social learning spreads useful inventions through groups. Some problems get solved with eerie precision and timing. These behaviors look like a tiny Stone Age workshop. The animals do not compete with human culture as a whole, but in specific tasks they show planning and inventiveness. That proximity to early technology can feel surprisingly close. We have watched crows bend hooks and chimps crack nuts. We have seen dolphins wear sea sponges and octopuses carry shelters. These scenes look like a tiny Stone Age workshop. They are not proof that animals replace human evolution. They do show the same basic spark in miniature. A problem meets an object and a clever solution follows. Animals solve local problems with the tools their bodies and habitats allow. A bird with a beak uses a twig for a different reason than a human would. An otter chooses a rock for precision, not for prestige. The similarity lies in planning, precision, and inventive reuse. Some animals plan ahead and modify materials before using them. Some pass techniques along in small cultural traditions. The scale and consequences differ from human technology. Humans built layered skills and far-reaching machines over generations. Animals rarely create cumulative, far-reaching technologies in the same way. That does not make their feats any less remarkable. It simply reframes intelligence as flexible and embodied. Tool use is not a human monopoly, but a recurring solution. Nature offers many tiny engineers, each tuned to a different job. So the wonder in these behaviors is both familiar and new. In small acts, we glimpse big minds. Respect their craft and curiosity. The next time you see a bird with a stick or an otter with a rock, you may be watching a tiny engineer at work, proving that intelligence does not always need hands to build a world. Like this video, subscribe to Wild Truth Files, and discover what nature hides in plain sight.